just arrived here at Tameron Gulf Coast. We have this gorgeous 2014 Ford F-150 Platinum Edition Super Crew Cab truck. On the outside of this F-150, we have power door mirrors with turn signal indicators, four-wheel drive, power running boards, spray-in bed liner, and rear backup camera. Inside, you'll find beautiful leather seating for 5, illuminated entry, rear sliding window, automatic temperature control, power moonroof, and remote keyless entry. The 8-inch LCD touchscreen display comes preloaded with navigation and has Bluetooth technology to keep you connected. This 2014 Ford F-150 has less than 103,000 miles and comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information and to schedule your test drive today.